Hello guys, welcome to Template Seller. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can be able to upload this particular template on your website. So this is a portfolio template which is called the Micro-Ray template. Now this is specifically made with Elementor, and when you buy it or when you have access to it and you are installing it, I'm going to show you how you can be able to install it. So first of all, make sure that you have your website ready. So you have your hosting domain and everything set up, you have installed WordPress, and then you can be able to proceed with this tutorial. So now let's jump into it. So let's say you have downloaded this particular template. This is what you're going to get. You're going to get this particular thing over here, and when you unzip it, okay, make sure that you unzip it. When you unzip it, this is what you're going to have. You're going to have all these templates in it. Now we're going to need this particular one, and then also maybe some single templates over here. Okay, so that is exactly what we are going to use. So now let's jump into the website. So now if I go to my website over here, this is the website that I'm going to use. As you can see, there is nothing over here. If I click to view on the website, there's nothing over here. Okay, so nothing over here. This is just a new WordPress installation that I did. So make sure that you install WordPress, and then you'll be able to follow this particular tutorial. So we're gonna go to, first of all, we will install a theme and we will install Elementor, and then we proceed with it. So go to appearance, go to themes. Now click on add new, and then search for the Cadence theme. So search for the Cadence theme. So this is the Cadence theme over here. Click on install, then click on activate. Alright guys, so the Cadence theme has been installed and activated successfully. Don't do anything, just close this one over here and then follow to the next one, which is to install the Elementor plugin. So we're gonna go over here, hover on plugins over here, click on add new, and then just search for Elementor. So we're gonna search for Elementor. Alright, so this is Elementor. Click on install now, and then click on activate to activate Elementor. Alright guys, so Elementor has been installed and it is asking you for onboarding process. Now just ignore it and click on close over here, and I'm going to dismiss this one. I'm going to go to the screen options and just untick this one. I just like a clean dashboard, so that is what I'm doing it, but this is not part of the tutorial, so don't worry. Okay, so now that we have our theme installed, we have Elementor installed, and if you go over here and refresh the website, this is what we're going to get. Alright, so this is just what we're going to get. Now what we are going to do is to go ahead and install the theme that we bought on Template Seller. So hover on Elementor over here, click on tools over here, and you're gonna have this import export. If you don't have it, go to settings over here, and then go to features. Okay, and then make sure that you have all the features that we will be using activated. So for instance, we want to use Flexbox container, which is already activated by default. Okay, all the green thing is already activated by default. Okay, so do not worry about it. And then yeah, almost everything is what is done. We are good to go. So let's go to tools over here, and then we're going to click on import export over here. Now we want to import, we don't want to export, so note that. So import a template, click on start import. Alright, so they said that we recommend that you back up your site. Since this is an empty website, there's no need to back it up, but if you are having a website already and you want to install this template on it, make sure you back it up. So I'm going to just click on select file over here, and I'm going to choose my template over here. So the portfolio website template Micro-Ray. So I'm going to just click over here, and it said this is what a zip file. It may be unzipped. Do not worry. I'm going to click on do not show this message again and click on continue. Alright, so as you can see, it is asking you to install these plugins. Yes, these plugins are needed. So we're going to go ahead and then click on next, and then which part of whatever thing that you want to apply. You want to import everything, so we click on next, and you hold on for some few minutes for the plugins and other stuff to install, and then your website will be ready to go. Okay, so first he said we have to enable unfiltered file uploads. Make sure you enable it. Alright guys, so your kit is now live on your website, and this is what came out of the kit. Okay, so everything is complete. Now we can see it live if we want to. Now let's go over here and click on refresh to see our website live. Alright guys, so our website is now live. Everything is completely designed and done. Now there are a few things that we want to also do, and that is what I want to show you how you can be able to do it. So now let's go back over here. Let's close this. You see that the website is live, but our header and footer didn't really show. It means that because we are not using Elementor, because we are not using the Hello Elementor theme, we did not use it to build our header and footer, but we can be able to install that header and footer. So don't worry. So we're gonna go over here and we're gonna go to plugins, click on add new. Now search for customizer, and now scroll down and look for this customizer export import. Okay, so this is what you have to look for. Click on install now and click on activate. Alright, so now that it is activated, we want to go to appearance over here, click on customize, and now scroll down to export import. Click on it, and it will tell you that you have to import. We want to import a file. Okay, so choose a file. So click on choose a file over here, and now go to your single template inside. You see that there is this .dat file over here, which is also what microarray customizer settings. Click on it over here, click on open. Now click on this one which says download and import images, and click on import. And as you can see, our customizer is now working perfectly well. Okay, but there is a problem because we haven't set up our header and menus. Our header, it is not really working over here, but don't worry, we will be able to fix it. So let's click on close over here, go to appearance over here, go to menus, and then we want to set up our menu. So make sure that you create a menu and then you set it up. So this is our menu over here. It has already been created, but the display location is not really done. So set it up at primary and set it up at mobile, and then also set it up at footer, and click on save menu. Alright, so now let's go back to our website, click on refresh over here, and as you can see, we have our menu set up. Now this is the logo that has been used, but you can change it to your own logo if you want. To change your own logo, click on customize over here, click on header over here, and then click on logo. As you can see, this is the logo over here. Now click on change logo, and then set your own logo that you want to use for the website. So let's say I want to use this particular logo, so I can drag it inside the website, and then just click on select, click on skip over here, and as you can see, I can just publish it. Now my logo is set successfully. I can decide to close it. Now the website is completely done. So now you can have all the things that you want in this particular website. I can click on go to services over here, I can go to portfolio over here, and I can go to contact also over here. So this is how you can be able to import this template, portfolio template, for your website. Thank you for watching. Let's see you in the next video. Bye bye.